Given half-life of radium is 1620 years, that is T half is given as 1620 years. Okay, we know the equation connecting the decay constant and T half, that is T half is equal to 0.6931 by lambda, or lambda is equal to 0.6931 divided by T half, that is equal to 0.6931 divided by 1620, okay, which is equal to 4.3 into 10 raised to minus 4 per year. Per year, here we got it as per year, we have to find in per second, that is 4.3 into 10 raised to minus 4 divided by, that is 365, that 1 year consists of 365 days and 1 day consists of 24 hours and 1 day consists of what, 3600 second. Okay, year, that is hour, and 1 day and 1 hour. Okay, then finally we got the answer as 1.36 into 10 raised to minus 11 dk per second.